For me to marry you, I make a commitment to you today. In the presence of our Lord.
Right. Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great joy that I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Matt and Glenn. Glenn, as you place this ring upon Matt's finger, repeat these words. Man to be your husband, to love him, submit to him, forsaking all others, cling only to him as long as you both serve.
Ayan, para daw po may ano din si Mama.
Closer. Closer pa, closer. Closer pa. Waki naman, waki.
Proceed.
Okay, yes sir.
Okay. Away na sila. Kalma lang. Lipat ko na yan natin.
Ilipat ko na dito sa...
Pag nangyari sa lagi na sa puso't damdamin ko.
Yun!
Ang
Parents, Ma, thank you so much for being a great mother to us.